Hey guys, so today I'll be explaining my code on a desktop assistant which I made using Python. So if you just go over here and run the code, this GUI should pop up right here. And if you press the start button, the program should start working.
Good evening. I am your assistant. Aram 1.0. What should I call you, sir?
Aryaman,
Welcome, Mr. Araman. How can I help you?
tell me a joke.
I've been using Vim for a long time now, mainly because I can't figure out how to exit.
Oranges in Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, an orange is a fruit of various citrus species in the family Rutaceae, called sweet orange, to distinguish it from the related citrus aurantium, referred to as bitter orange. The sweet orange reproduces asexually, apomixis through nucella embryoni. Varieties of sweet orange arise through mutations. The orange is a hybrid between pomelo, Citrus maxima, and mandarin, Citrus reticulata. The chloroplast genome, and therefore the maternal line, is that of pomelo.
Open YouTube.
Here you go to YouTube.
Exit.
Thanks for giving me your time.
So as you saw over there, it can do a variety of tasks. So right here I'm going to go step by step and explaining what each of the functions do and what additional functions this desktop assistant has. So right here we have a bunch of packages that we need to import. You can import it by simply typing pip install in the terminal, and or you can go to Google and Google how to install these packages. Right here, this function defines speak, so it allows the computer to speak, define wish me. So this is what wishes the user. So it will wish you good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on the time of the day. And it will also speak like it will give its introduction right here, which can be seen right here, ARAM 1.0. So right here, this username is what the desktop assistant will call you. It will ask you for your username or what it should call you, and you can input it, and it will call you like that for the rest of the time, or you can change it, which will come back to that on a later time. So here it will take command. Here this function is to take command. It will take in whatever you say, and if there's a particular code that is referencing to that, like tell a joke, it will tell a joke. Otherwise it will say that again please, or it will output nothing. Here this function is to send a mail. So here you can put your email and your password over here. I've not done that because it's private, and yeah, you have to put your email and password over here. Here this is where the main function starts. So from here you can tell it to search something on Wikipedia, and it will output the first 3 sentences from Wikipedia, like we just saw for oranges, or you can search anything else. If you tell it to open YouTube, it will open YouTube. Same with Google or Stack Overflow in case you are having some coding problems. You can ask it to tell the time, or mail to somebody. And there are some basic questions that I've added over here, which are supposed to be the most asked questions for a desktop assistant. So like, how are you? Change my name. What's your name? And other basic questions. So you can also ask it where is. So previously, like we saw, we can ask where is something, and it will show that place on Google Maps. You can ask it to restart, log off, or write a note, and if you tell it to show note, it will show a note in PyCharm. You can also search the weather. If you go to api.openweathermap.org and if you have your own API key, you can input it there, and you can search for a weather. You can search for the weather in your city, or if it can't find a city, or it's not if it's not working, it will say city not found. And some of the basic questions. Now this part is the GUI of the desktop assistant that we saw earlier. So you need to have a file name assistant.gif saved in where your code is. So if your assistant.gif or assistant.jpeg is not stored where your code is, it won't work, and you need to make sure that it's there. Also, in order for you to send a mail, you need to let them access to less secure apps. Let your Gmail account have access to less secure apps. I've not done that, but here is the website to you can follow these instructions over here to allow Python or anything else to access your Gmail, and it can send a mail through that. You can just search less secure apps in Gmail and go to the control access to less secure apps, and you can just follow these instructions. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.